Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Rita. 今天 Teacher Rita 要跟大家讲的一个故事叫做 Grumpy Bird. Oh, look at this bird's face. He's very grumpy. See that grumpy face? Not happy at all, right? 这个故事非常有趣哦，我们来看看吧。Do not disturb. Very grumpy. When Bird woke up, he was very grumpy. Grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. So he didn't want to do anything. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Walking. He was too grumpy to fly. Bird walked past sheep. Good morning, Bird, said sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said sheep. I will keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. Well, I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. So the sheep and the rabbit, they're all walking after the bird. Bird walked past Raccoon. That's the raccoon over there. Hi, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. So sheep, rabbit, and raccoon, they all walked after Bird. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it placing one foot in front of the other. Walking? Guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. I will go walking too. So sheep, rabbit, raccoon, beaver, and fox, they all walked after Bird. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood one leg. The other animals stood one leg. Look, even the sheep. Bird jumped. Yoo-hoo! The other animals jumped. Yee! Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Oh, look at Bird's face now. Is he still grumpy? Not anymore. He forgot all about being grumpy. Hey, let's fly back to my nest for a snack. So, and they did. Everyone flew back to the nest, back to Bird's nest, and have a snack, which is a worm. The end.